Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Cultural values are reflected in languages, ethics, social hierarchy, aesthetics, education, law, economics, philosophy, and social institutions of every kind. These must be respected and appreciated. Now, we'll deal with the next subunit, that is value education in the educational systems. At infant stage, the first nursery of values of child is their parent in schools called homes. At this stage, only parents teach family traditions, values and customs which have been followed by them for generations. In schools, the children are exposed to more secular and democratic environment where they have to interact with various communities and religions. Such multicultural environment provides a set of social and cultural values that help them to participate openly and wholeheartedly in the process of education. Teachers appear in role model and they should give value education enriched with values of simplicity, punctuality, truthfulness, commitment to purpose, self-confidence, and courage to teach through personal examples. At higher level, the value education is to be made the core of personality development with respectful awareness of social, cultural, and environmental values. Such education should be embedded in the curriculum as number one, literature can emphasize on human values expressed through prose, poetry, or writings such as patterns bring out positive emotional responses. Number two, social studies emphasize the study of human beings and their interactions. Number three, historical studies reveal perspective on ancient, medieval, and modern events that shape the destinies of man. Number four, history also traces the track of progressive civilization and their evolutionary patterns, which increases worldly wisdom of students. Number five, by history, students come to know the destructive effects of wars, which cultivate in them the need for national integration and international cooperation. Number six, understanding cultural values promote tolerance among students. Number seven, geographical studies reveal knowledge of different places, climate, and culture. These imbue international peace and harmony and understanding of life in all its diversity. Number eight, sports and physical education develop universal and wholesome value among students. These breed healthy competitive feelings. Number nine, field trips and educational excursions or study tours reveal man's exploitative use and abuse of nature and cultivate among students a love for nature and thoughts of its conservation. Number 10, environmental studies make students to realize the value of nature and adverse effects of deforestation and pollution on human health and quality of life. Such studies make them environment friendly, especially for the betterment of future. No responsible man, society, community, or nation can ignore value education as it shapes their future. Our ancient India has great giving in value education, and one cannot forget the contribution of Gurukula system of education and wisdom of Bhagavad Gita. We develop respect when we utter following lines of a Sanskrit hymn. Sarva bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramay, sarva bhadranti pashvantu, ma kasit dukkha bhagavata. May all beings be happy. May all beings be free from ailments, that is physical or mental. May all beings experience what is good and auspicious, and may none be subject to sorrow and suffering. To a well-groomed value education person, the whole world is a family. That is Udar Charitanam Vasudhartiki Kutumbakam.